Hello everyone, I'm Giovanni from abilityai, and today I'm gonna show you how to create your first chatbot in under 10 minutes. So first of all, you're gonna have to create a VoiceFlow account. VoiceFlow is the software that we use to create our chatbots. It is online based and does not require any download. After that, you're gonna also have to create a VoiceFlow project, and you're gonna be redirected to a page looking like this. On the left, we can find the settings. Right here we have the tools needed to create our chatbots. Here we can change our chatbot name, and here we can run it to see how it works. First of all, we're gonna have to go to this page right here called Content, in which we have access to the knowledge base of our chatbot. The knowledge base of a chatbot is basically all the informations that it needs to give the user a complete and precise answer. So it is fundamental for your chatbot to have all the specific informations about your business. For example, I've created a small Q&A for an imaginary business that I'm gonna build a chatbot on. So, to create our chatbot, let's start with some messages for the user. So I'm gonna go to the talk button, and then on the text one, I'm gonna drag it down. I'm gonna write, "Hello, I'm Mark from Skin Boutique." That is the name of the imaginary business that I've created. After that, I'm gonna connect the start block with the new one. Always remember to connect your blocks, because if you don't do this, your chatbot will not work. And I'm gonna also need another text button under here, and I'm gonna write, "How can I help you?" So this will be the two messages that the user will receive when he first opens the chatbot. And now we actually have to listen to what the user has to say. So I'm gonna put a listen button, a capture one. And as you can see, there is written capture user reply to last utterance. Last utterance is a variable that stores the last thing that the user has said, so that he messaged in the chatbot. After that we've listened to the user, we're gonna have to create an appropriate answer for his questions. So I'm gonna add a response AI block that will generate the answer. Do you remember when I've talked about the informations that we need to give to the chatbot? That's where it comes in play. So I'm gonna click on knowledge base, and then answer under question, I'm gonna write answer the user's question, and then in brackets I'm gonna write last utterance. That means that the chatbot will read whatever the user has said, and then will generate an appropriate response based on the information that we've given him in the knowledge base. After creating this block, we're gonna have to connect it to the capture one, so the chatbot will continue to ask the user if they have another question. And then we're gonna have to connect the not found block to a talk block, and I'm gonna write sorry, I didn't understand. That means that whenever the chatbot will not recognize whatever the user has said, because maybe they've made a question that involves information that is not in the knowledge base, the chatbot will send this message right here. And then after connecting this block to the capture one, the chatbot will continue to ask if the user has another question after that he did not recognize what the user had just said. We've created our chatbot. Let's give it a try and see how it works. So let's go to this button right here and then click on run test. And as we can see, the chatbot is texting us and saying how it can help us. So we can type right here whatever we want. I'm gonna write, "Where is my order?" And based on the information that I've given the chatbot in the knowledge base, it has generated an appropriate response. If, for example, I talk about something that it is not in the knowledge base, for example, order a pizza, The chatbot will say, sorry, I didn't understand, and then I can write another question. That is because the information pizza, it is not in a knowledge base. So it has recognized it and it is asking me to make another question. If you're interested in a chatbot for your business, you can go to our website called abilityai.it, and then by clicking on this button, you can book a free introductory call with our team.